welcome back to Gucci's Cocktail Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mudslide. Now this is a drink that can be shaken or it can be blended. Today I have decided that I'm going to shake my mudslide because I'm a little bit over blended drinks. I feel like I've been making a lot of blended drinks recently with my mocktail episodes on Wednesdays. Alright, now to make this drink you will need 4 ingredients. You will need some chocolate sauce, you will need Kahlua, you will need vodka. You can use a plain vodka, you can use a vanilla infused vodka, or you can use a chocolate infused vodka. I picked up this chocolate infused vodka from Newer Distillery in Newcastle. Well, actually I didn't pick it up directly from there, they sent it to me via mail, but I have got a chocolate infused vodka, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this enhances the flavour of the mudslide today. You'll also need Irish cream as well, so you can use Bailey's or you can use Donald's. I picked this up from Aldi for about $15. Right, the first thing we need to do to make this drink is we need to rim our glass with some chocolate sauce. Next, you'll need a shaker filled with ice. I'm just using my protein shaker as per normal because there's no fancy tools on Gucci's Cocktail Channel. So get your protein shaker, put some ice in there. Next thing you'll want to do is add 1 shot of Kahlua, 1 shot of your vodka, and 1 shot of your Bailey's. We then put the lid on and we shake. That is well shaken. Now with my glass you can see that the chocolate sauce is all run down that. It looks beautiful. I'm now going to add some ice to this glass. So I'll be back. Just added a little bit of ice, not too much. And then we pour our mudslide into the glass. Now for the finishing touch, I'm just going to add a little bit more chocolate sauce over the top. Remember, every person is beautiful after a couple of mudslides. Cheers. You can definitely taste the alcohol in this mudslide. It's got 3 shots of booze in it, so it's pretty strong, but quite smooth. It's perfect for after dinner. Alright guys, well I'm going to get out of here, as always. It's Friday night and I want to drink this drink. So if you want to see me, Gucci, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you on Wednesday for another mocktail. See ya! Bye!